for dispatch. 1300 meters race number 7 is on their way. Runner number 11, Sweet and Spicy, draws for your lead. Number 8, Damong Ligaw is right behind in second. Running by the rail is Tony P. Sneaking in down on the inside is Pro Rata. Then comes Akire Onileva as they race towards the 900. We have Tony P. Pro Rata is by the rail. Damong Ligaw racing in third. By the rail, Akire Onileva, Sweet and Spicy is running on the outside, catching the third spot as they round the 600. Pro Rata winning the field over Tony P. Then comes Sweet and Spicy. Damong Ligaw is running by the rail as they round towards the 450. It's Pro Rata winning the field over Tony P. Damong Ligaw, Sweet and Spicy out in 30 stretch. Pro Rata shot clear by about 5 lengths. Running in second is Tony P. Damong Ligaw, Sweet and Spicy with 150 to go. Pro Rata this time by about 7 lengths over Damong Ligaw. And finally, Pro Rata second. Close between Damong Ligaw, eye to eye, Tony P. Sweet and Spicy, number 10, Restless Heart for your super.